Okay, how to pick St. John's wort. Beautiful plant. My shake is ready. So, what you do is take the flower and the little steeple and you rub it. And if it leaves red, this is all the healing compounds that you want. So now it's ready to pick. Slightly dry, not all the way dry, and then put it in your oil or alcohol. I'm gonna do my olive oil from my grove. So exciting! I absolutely love having farm fresh stuff. It's amazing. 2 ingredients. St. John's wort and olive oil. All grown here. Here's my other little St. John's wort patch. Let's see if this one is ready as well. Alright. I'll just take a little sample and I'll do it next to this guy. Ooh, this one's ready too. It didn't get as much, but it's got to leave that red. That red is what we want. I have a couple more patches I need to pick or check first. Here's my little tiny patch. Look at how little these guys are. But you know what? I bet little is still good. Look at that, brightest. It's actually the brightest so far. It may look like I'm bleeding when I go inside, but that's okay. Worth it. I have another big patch at the bottom grove. That first one's probably my biggest wild patch because it's growing next to the garden. I'm guessing it's the oldest too because it's the tallest. I've read that you pick St. John's wort on June 15th through June 22nd. And that's when the oils are the highest. But of course, droughts or very, very wet seasons can affect the time. Oh, I have a big patch down there, but let's go check these guys first. So I trim everything except for my St. John's wort in the grove. And here's another little patch. I love that it's all, oh, hello doggy. I love that it's all wild too. Okay, we gotta find this fresh spot. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I don't think I was rubbing this hard on that one at the end. And all this stuff too. Alright. Let's go pick. Let's go get our stuff to pick. They are ripe and ready and full of nutrients. It's still morning, so we're gonna pick in the morning. And it's supposed to be the fullest of nutrients. Alright guys, let's go get our stuff.